Hello and welcome back to another Tech Talk episode. My name is Matt and today we're going to look at how to clean and maintain our epoxy flooring systems. So let's get into it. As an epoxy installer, you know that the durability and aesthetic appeal of epoxy floors makes them an ideal and popular choice for both residential and commercial spaces. However, maintaining these floors is crucial to preserving the long-lasting functionality. Whether you're advising your own clients or performing a routine upkeep, understanding the proper cleaning methods will help ensure that the projects stay pristine for years to come. For most epoxy floors, the general cleaning process is pretty straightforward. A simple mop or broom will usually do the trick to remove dust, dirt, or clean up spills. For indoor areas, a mop with gentle cleaning solution is often all that's needed. However, if you're cleaning outside or in areas with heavier debris, a broom, specifically a wet broom or scrub broom, works really well to dislodge dirt and particles. In this case, using APC Clean helps break down that dirt and grime, making it easier to sweep away. For high traffic areas where foot traffic, vehicles, or machinery place extra strain on the surface, a more intensive cleaning process may be required. These areas often accumulate oils, grease, or ground-in dirt that can't be easily removed with just a mop or broom. In these cases, using a polyvac with a polishing pad can help restore the floor's appearance. Start by spraying APC Clean directly onto the affected sections of the floor. Using a spray bottle can make this process easier, as you can apply a controlled amount over large sections. Once the floor is sprayed, use the polyvac with a polishing pad to scrub the floor's surface. The pad's gentle abrasion will work APC Clean into the floor, removing deeper stains and grime. After scrubbing, simply hose or mop down the floor to rinse away the debris and clean up. While cleaning is essential for maintaining the longevity of epoxy floors, giving them a high gloss finish is what really brings out the beauty of the surface. To enhance the floor's shine, APC Shine is a product designed to create a polished, glossy appearance. It's essentially a thin, clear coating that works into the scratches and any imperfections of the surface. The key to applying shine correctly is using heat. This is where burnishing pads come into play. A burnishing pad creates friction as it moves across the floor, generating heat that softens the shine coating and helps it level out. As the coating cools, it hardens into a smooth, glossy finish. The process is somewhat like how hot glue softens when heated and hardens as it cools. Shine can be applied using two different options, as a spray or directly mopped onto the surface. If you choose the spray method, apply the product over large sections of the floor and use the burnishing pad to work into the surface. If you're applying it with a mop, be sure to apply a thin layer evenly and allow the burnishing machine to do its work. As an installer, being knowledgeable about cleaning techniques and products will not only improve the outcomes of your work, but also enable you to educate your clients, ensuring they enjoy long-term satisfaction with their epoxy floors. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.